All right, so we're gonna make a 3D printed replacement bucket handle for when your white little cheap sleeve on your 5 gallon bucket breaks. So you get about 4 inches for your fist with the finger holes, and we're gonna design it in Fusion. So we're gonna make my 4 inch triangle or rectangle first for my hand, and then I made these swoops here. That's gonna be your 4 finger holes, and then you're gonna get something that looks like that with the holes cut out. And then this part was kind of the most difficult thing to learn for the connectors that snap on there. So then we're going to copy that, and we're going to fill those holes, and then off of these 4 same things, we're going to make the male side, and those are going to be my clips, my tolerance, and we're going to 3D print those. I'm going to put that into my Creality. I have a Ender 3 V3KE. We got Creality Print 7 open. Get the male side. Get the female side. Let's see. Okay. First thing I have to do is change it to the correct material. Pet G. I'm going to stand both of these up. We are going to change the number of shells. I like to do 5 shells. We'll do the auto placement, arrange. Oh, we gotta make more room for supports. I do tree. Now see what that looks like. Okay. Slice that. All right. And then we will send that to the printer. Alright, so I'm going to use my 3D printed bucket handle for this drywall bucket here. If you have a really old bucket, a lot of times these things just get crusty and brittle and crack off. Because this stuff breaks off, then basically the bucket's useless. Sure there's an easier way to do that? Alright. That's it. This one's way better. There you go. So this is probably my favorite 3D functional print that I've made so far. Took a lot of time to figure out how to size the snaps and the tolerance and how to make that fit and everything like that. So I've actually made like one of these for every single bucket I've ever had just because it's kind of, I just like doing it. So like half a dozen of them. And I made them for my cousin and my dad, and everybody loves them. So if you want the 3D print file, get it from my Patreon. It's pretty cheap. If you have a monthly membership, if you have it for 1 month, just download it. You can make as many of them as you want. So let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.